Hello, people. Welcome to another educating episode of the Farmer Talk with Dorinol. On today's episode of the program, I will be discussing with us antibiotic resistance and the role we can play as an individual to help contain the spread. Antibiotics, as we popularly call them, are agents used in the treatment of infections such as streptococcus, staphylococcus, tuberculosis, gonorrhea, pneumonia, as well as syphilis. Antibiotic resistance, on the other hand, can be described as a state whereby an antibiotic that used to be effective in treating an infection becomes less effective as a result of the organism's resistance to the drug. Why is this topic important? Yes, antibiotic resistance is important because it is currently a public health concern due to the consequences it poses on us as individuals. These consequences include increased hospital stay, increased cost of treatment, increased mortality, comorbidity, as well as psychological effect on the individual as well as the caregiver. What role then can you play as an individual to help contain the spread? You can start by avoiding the irresponsible use of antibiotics. Yes, over prescribing. This is where a lot of healthcare professionals fall victim. Let's minimize over prescribing. We should also try as much as possible to reduce or avoid the use of antibiotics on animals such as our birds, our dogs, etc. Yes, these are some of the ways we tend to ingest the resistant strain. Another way we can help minimize the spread of antibiotic resistance is to practice good hygiene. Good hygiene is top notch. Finally, misuse of antibiotics. Let us try as much as possible to avoid the use of antibiotics when not necessary. Yes, a lot of persons use antibiotics on cold and flus, not necessary. A lot of persons use antibiotics for headaches, not necessary. A lot of persons tend to use them to prevent sexually transmitted infections. Yes, these are not necessary. These are some of the ways that we could actually play our little quota to help containing the spread of antibiotic resistance. I hope this video was helpful. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and click on the like button as well as drop your comments. Thank you so much. I remain your drug queen, Dorinol.